If you're in After Effects and you're seeing these square or rectangular lines and this little cross sign in your composition and you don't know what's going on or how to get rid of it, these are your title or action safe guides, and you probably just hit a button on your keyboard and it enabled them. So if you just hit the shortcut apostrophe or quotes on your keyboard, it will go away. And you can bring it back up by hitting that same key, apostrophe or quotes. There it is, and it's gone. And if you don't remember the keyboard shortcut, that's no problem. You can also select this button here under your composition, choose grid and guide options, and then you can just unselect title action safe. That little dot signals that it's in action, so we just click it again and it has now been disabled and we can go about our business. These are not always bad to have, however. It ensures that no matter what screen you're on, what size, there will be no clipping for whatever verbiage or action you have. So everything in this smallest box is 100% going to be included on whatever screen you're using. It's good to know, but not necessary for everything you do. So we can kind of skip this and just know that when you render out your video, it won't include this. This is just a guide, so that's helpful. And I'm just going to click quotations or comma on my keyboard and it's gone for good. So something to remember. I hope that you found this helpful. Join me for more videos in After Effects and beyond.